Hey everybody. Yeah, that's my carpet. You're looking at my carpet. But there's a reason. Because I'm going to do a sick pan up. Bam. ZZ Performance box. Let's see what's in the ZZ Performance box. Alright, the big moment, everybody. We got this little tiny knife. We're going to open this big box with it. It's going to be cool. I mean, usually I use really big, ridiculous tools when I do stuff. It's kind of in my nature. But this will have to do. You know, just a little knife on a multi-tool. You know, you got to get that tape undone. Oh wait, this is a flap. Oh. Well, let's put this away. This ain't going to work. I thought it was going to work. This ought to do it. Aha. No need for leverage when you got brute strength, guys. We got paper. Thank you, ZZP. This is what? No. Styrofoam? No. Bolt pack. Yeah, we need that. But here's why we need that. Yeah. ZZ Performance, oversized, very big radiator. I'm not sure the exact size because I don't remember pertinent details enough. But this is definitely oversized from the stock radiator. We're going to try and make sure that the head gaskets on that GTP have a hard time popping again. Because we're going to stay so cool, you're going to think we're the other side of the pillow, like Billy D. Williams. Anyways, that's it. This is your ZZP oversized radiator unboxing with James Kello. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, oh well, you still watched.